What's up, guys? Back in the shop today again with another video. We don't have too much stuff lined up for today. I got a few parts that I got for the FX as far as the shifter cables and the shifter box. So I'm gonna basically do an install video on that right now. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride and show you how I get that done. All right. Okay, guys. So here we have the. I'm going to be using the RX6 hybrid cables, the shifter cables that we have here. We're going to get this installed inside the car now. And as far as the shifter, I decided to go with the Acuity shifter. This is basically a new company that just came out. I think they've been out maybe like 4 or 5 years now. But I did some review on their shifter, and I really liked their shifter over the other ones that's on the market. I know it has hybrid racing and the other brands. I don't remember right now, but this is the one I chose to go with. So we're gonna get this unboxed, then we're gonna go ahead and get it installed inside the car. All right. Okay, guys, so here it is, the Acuity shifter unboxed. So like I said, this is the one that we decided to go with. This is the 4-way adjustable shifter. There's plenty different shifters on the market for the K series swap, but this is the one I'm gonna rock with. I'm not gonna go too much into detail about this shifter. Just trying to give you guys a visual of it, a quick visual of it. I'm not sponsored by these guys in any shape or form, so we're not gonna go too much into details with it. All right, so let's get it in the car and see how she looks. Alright, guys, so far it seems like we have a slight modification here to do as far as the panels inside. As you can see, this thing doesn't really fit over as I would like, so I'm gonna have to do a slight modification on this so I can get the shifter cables. I thought everything was gonna fit under there like that, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to modify that a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get modifying with that, and I'll get back with you guys and show you guys what I came up with. Alright, guys, so here we have it so far, guys. I got this thing somewhat mounted already. I didn't put back on the center console yet because I'm still making a little bit of adjustments on it, but so far, shoot, I almost want to run this thing without a center console, man. They make these things so pretty and nice to look at. You don't necessarily need to We want a center console. So now we're gonna go ahead and connect up the shifter cables and see how she feels. All right. All right, guys. Quick little update. So now I got the shifter mounted in the car. The cables are connected and everything. I know it's kind of dark in here. Sorry about the lighting, but everything is connected now. So shifter feels nice, man. Nice and smooth. So okay, so that's done. I'll deal with the panels later because this panel right here, I don't know if I want to leave the shifter just open like that, or I want to put this panel back over it. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but if I do put this panel back over it, I'm going to have to do some shaving and some trimming. So we'll leave that off for now. I'll show you guys on the outside. FX is coming together, guys. Hybrid cables installed. I already put the springs inside the shifter assembly, so that's done. So the next thing I'm gonna mess around with now is my this car used to be an automatic, so I still have to convert the put in the gas. Not the gas pedal, the clutch pedal, and the brake pedal. So
something that is spontaneous. Your hair grows by itself. Your heart beats by itself. You breathe pretty much by itself. You don't have voluntary control of these things. So we say it happens spontaneously.